Johnny, the floor is yours.
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, sinanga ng pakali. Halika na, tara na, buwan na nga ang handa. Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag tila ang saya. Tila tayo, tila ang bata. Sa Johnny, tila tayo, sa loob na sisaya. Sa Johnny, tila tayo, walang iba. Sa Johnny, tila ang saya.
Okay, kids, move. Baka matama kayo ni Johnny B. Ako. Ayan, thank you very much, Johnny B, sa iyong pagsayaw. Okay, nakagyan na rin natin ang cake sa harap. Ang may iwan lang muna, si Mami, si Daddy, si Ate, ang mga kuyas. Mga girls,
Big smile, 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, 1.
ayan, kids,
1, 2, 3.
and everyone, again, kantahan natin si Ethan ng Happy Birthday to One more time with energy naman. Thank you. At syempre, sabay-sabay nating sabihin, Happy Birthday, Ethan! Happy Birthday, Ethan! Ayan, so you may now make a wish and blow your candle. Syempre, with the help of Mommy and Daddy. Ayan, blow na yung candle. On nyo na lang, Mommy and Daddy. Yes! Up. Ayan, at syempre, kailangan nating malaman ang wish ni Mami, ni Daddy, ni Ate, and ni Kuya for Ethan. So, sino mauna? Si Mami na. Mami is always first.
Yun, since 1-year-old ka pa lang naman, Mommy only wish is really health. And a year and more years, filled with joy and happiness. God bless you, Mommy.
Yes. Si Daddy, Mami say
Ito,
so, Ma.
Ethan, ang mabait na bata. Katulad ni Bossy.
Ayan. And also, si Ate Aliza. What is your wish?
Happy birthday, Little Ethan. I wish you have a nice day.
Okay, si Elijah. What's your wish for Ethan?
Happy birthday, Ethan. I wish you have a good day.
Yes, good day naman. How about Kuya Angelo? Si Bossing daw, Bossing. Go, what is your wish for Ethan? Oh, meron si ate, meron si Elijah. Oh, ikaw naman daw, anong wish mo for Ethan?
What's your wish? I wish for you not to have crush on KD1. Crush on KD1.
Ayun, mahihain si Angelo. Okay, so palakpakan naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant. So, okay, move muna kayo.